here we go.
Sweet. Excited.
Alright, so first lap here. This is going to be a harder braking zone once we're up to speed.
Got it.
And then you see the painted curbs, like that's what I'm aiming for, if that's when you want to look up, and then hard brake, well not hard braking here, but some braking there. We go off into these curbs, that's normal.
Cool.
And then this section coming up here is going to be a hard braking zone, and I'll let you know when.
Awesome.
I'll just say, you know, brake, so brake.
Got it.
Yeah, just want to keep your vision up and out.
Yep.
Hard brake.
Don't let my head bobblehead.
Try not to, but you know, it's very possible that it will, no matter how hard you try.
Yep.
You want to let off to let this car by.
Cool.
And then we're going to go into a heavy braking zone here. And ready, brake. And that is one lap around Road Atlanta. There's going to be some medium braking here. And up the hill. Some medium braking. Brake. And then heavy braking zone here. And brake. And then the long straightaway again.
Cool.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay.
This is cool.
Do you want me to keep calling out the braking zones?
Yeah.
Or do you think you know where they're at yet?
I think I'm pretty good.
Okay.
Seems pretty straightforward to me. So cool. This is great. I wasn't kidding. You can't see that at all.
No, it's a blind corner.
This is so much fun.
Still doing good?
Oh yeah, I'm loving this.
All right, good. Don't forget to breathe out. that reminder was for me.
Ah, got it. Yeah, you definitely need to breathe out.
Yeah.
Oh, those are cool.
Yeah. Those are radicals. I think it's a SR1 or SR3 or something like that. They're single seat, pure track cars.
Oh, I bet those are insane to be in.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How's the helmet doing?
Oh, it's good. It's a little wobbly, but it's not too bad.
Okay.
It actually fits pretty well.
Good.
I was wondering where they were. I just saw them.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, they were on that bridge back there.
Okay. We're good. Just took a little too much curve there.
Yep.
If at any point, you think you're fine and it comes on unannounced, if you feel like you're gonna puke, there is a puke bag in the glove box. Just shove it into your helmet.
Yep, I think I'll be alright though.
Most people are. I'm just giving you...
I do appreciate that because I do not want to throw up that way on myself. That'd be the worst time.
Yeah. This is a KTM Crossbow GT4 or Crossbow X. That is also a single seat car,
cool.
But it has a canopy.
Oh, interesting.
Still good?
Yep, still good.
All right. I'll stop asking.
That's all good. I appreciate the asking.
Sure. Well, at this point, it's on you. You gotta let me know if you're not.
Oh yeah, I will. I'm having a great time.
Good, good. And that is the session.
Cool. That was so cool. I can see why you do this for fun.
That is a lot of fun.
How fast does your car go?
The fastest I've had it going is like 150 something.
Oh,
I mean,
wow.
I've gone faster in other people's cars with more power.
Yeah, of course.
But this car, about 150-ish.
It's a nice toy.
Thanks.
Yeah.
We can lift your visor for some fresh air.
Cool. That was so much fun.
Yeah. Yeah, so just a cool down lap.
Cool. So you're not getting into the finish?
No. We'll pull off to the left.
Okay, cool.
No. Oh, is this the bridge they were at?
Yeah. They're not there anymore, but that's where they were.
There they are.
Yeah.
They were still there.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I saw Jay's green.
Yeah, and Myron was holding his phone there.
Yep. Cool.
So the cool down lap, the idea is just use the brakes as little as possible.
Okay.
To let them cool down before you come to a stop, because if they're too hot, your brake pads can actually like seize to the rotors.
Oh shit, that would
Yeah, they're like melted.